Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix microphone is not working on Nvidia app. Super fast and easy, so let me show how. First of all, go on search, go on settings, then on settings you need to look for one thing. So go on, find the setting, then just write sound settings. On sound settings, make sure that right microphone is selected here for you, and then we need to look for a more sound settings. On more sound settings, make sure that recording right microphone is set to default. So for me, it's this one set to default, and then as you can see here, the right microphone should be selected to default, and then make sure it's not muted, and also it has proper level, and also these two options is selected as well. Then what you need to do here next is to just open up Nvidia app, then go to settings, make sure Nvidia overlay is enabled, and then press Alt plus Z, and then turn off your microphone. Instant replay turn off as well. Go back on this gear icon, then go to audio, make sure the right microphone is selected here, and also it has proper sound. Usually the wrong microphone is selected here. Then go back again, turn on microphone, always on, insert replay enabled, and it should work. So yeah, that's basically it.